Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet strawberry coasters. This is a very simple project for beginners. In this pattern I am using worsted weight yarn, 2 color of yarns and one 2.5 mm crochet hook and one craft scissor. Let us start. First I am making the upper part of the strawberry. You take green color yarn for upper part and make one slip knot and make 16 foundation chain. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And then you join together it with slip stitch and make a small ring. And then start from here. You make one chain and go to the next stitch and make one single crochet. You make 10 single crochet, 9 single crochet in the 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You make 9 single crochet into the next 9 stitches, first 9 stitches, and then here you start working from the here. This is the 9th stitch. Here you make 1 2 chain, count as a first DC, and you insert your hook in the same stitch and pull through yarn and make it 2, and then you repeat same things. This is the here I have used the cluster stitch, 3 loops in my hook and make it 1. This cluster stitch looks like a leaf of the strawberry, and then 1 chain, 1 more chain, total 2 chain, and then you go to the next stitch, wrap your yarn over your hook and insert your hook in the next stitch and make DC and hold the loop and yarn over your hook and insert the hook in your same stitch and make 1 more DC, total 3 loops in your hook. Here I am making 1 2 3 4 loops in my hook, and then you make it 1 chain, 1 more chain, 2 chain, then you go to the next stitch and you repeat same clusters. you make total 7 clusters in this seven stitches. You make 4 more cluster stitch in this next 4 stitches. I have made total 7 clusters, and this is the last clusters. Here you make 1 more chain, and here you join it with slip stitch, and cut your yarn, extra yarn. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 clusters, and then attach another color yarn. Here I am using the red color, strawberry color yarn for making strawberry. You insert this yarn in the between the 2 clusters. This is the space between the 2 cluster stitch. Here you attach it with slip stitch, and make 2 more chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 chain, and then you go to the next space and make 3 DC. Then 1 chain, go to the next space between 2 clusters, repeat it in this row. You make only 6 or 6 times 1 chain, and go to the next and make 3 DC. And this is the last space between the 2 clusters. Here you make 3 DC, and then turn your work and you make slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, and go to the first space and make 1 more slip stitch and make 2 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more DC in the same space, 1 chain, and then go to the next space and make 3 DC. You repeat same pattern in this round. Here this is the second row. Here you watch, here you make the first clusters here, and you make 1 3DC in the every space, and this is the last space between the two 3DC stitch. And you do not working here, and you turn your work and make slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, and go to the space, first space, and make 3 DC. You decrease your stitches in the every row, 1 chain, and go to the next space and make 3 DC stitch. One chain and make 3 DC in the next space. One chain, go to the next. This is the last space between the 3 DC stitch. And here you turn work and you make a slip stitch in the next 3 stitches and make 3 chain, count as a first DC, and you repeat same pattern, same stitch in this row. Then next row, same things you repeat, 3 DC in every space. Here only 2 space, 1 chain, and go to the next and make 3 double crochet. And turn your work and make 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. This is the last round. 2 more chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more DC in the same in the space of the 2 3 DC. This is the last row of this project. Here only 1 space. Here I have made 3 DC stitch, and you finish it with slip stitch. You make 1 slip stitch in the same space. And you finishing your project. Cut your extra yarn, and your strawberry coasters is ready. This is very cute strawberry. And you can make it very simple, unique pattern of the strawberry. If you want to make the big size, then you change your hook size. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.